Best V's. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best vegan smoothies that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Smoothies are an excellent way to get in your daily dose of fruits and veggies, and as a vegan, they can also be a great source of protein. So, let's get started. Berry Blast Smoothie. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and is perfect for a morning boost. Blend some frozen mixed berries smoothie. Green smoothie. This smoothie is an excellent way to get in your daily dose of greens. Blend some kale or spinach, a banana tropical smoothie. This smoothie is a delicious way to transport yourself to a tropical paradise. Blend some frozen pineapple, mango, a banana, coconut milk, and some plant-based protein powder for a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Any time of the day.